So peeps, I'd just like to wish everyone a happy new year. And I know it's not the best time to wish everyone a happy new year with the COVID and everything, but you know what, in my area, and comment down below if yours has been the same, because of the lockdown nobody's been able to go out anywhere or do anything. I've just seen the most amount of fireworks in my area being let off ever, and to be honest, that's the best display I've ever seen in my life. It's better than going to any London display or Big Ben display where it's all crammed up and you can't get out and go home and whatnot. But without missing the point here, just the spirit of the people and everyone letting off fireworks at the same time, I didn't expect that. So guys, it's lifted my spirits for this year. I know I've had a rough year and everything, but I just wanted to just reach out to you guys and say once again, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Peace out guys, later. Wow, look at this. Look, listen to this, mum, listen. Listen, you guys, listen. Listen, I'm outside, listen. This is... Can you hear it? It's everywhere, I'm filming it. It's like everyone just said, you know what, let's just let off fireworks at 12 o'clock. Ah, this is brilliant. You know what? This is heartfelt, you know. Seeing what I'm seeing now is quite emotional, because I've never seen people let off so many fireworks in my life. That is emotional. Oh wow. Don't knock yourself out. No. Happy New Year, Anne! It's brilliant. And the pandas let off fireworks everywhere. Oh man.
Do you hear it, Anne?
Everywhere. Yeah.
Every direction. Happy New Year!
Oh wow.
Oh my gosh, it's going off. Anne, this is better than the display.
It's, yeah.
No way. Oh my gosh. Oh my word. Do you hear it? Yeah.
Oh wow.
Oh, people are going into one. They're lifting up spirits this year.
It's a Chinese lantern. It's quite emotional.
Oh,
I was
yeah.
out the back there and I thought, you know what? This is emotional.
Yeah.
Seeing this.
Wow.
You know what? This is the best firework display I've ever seen in my life.
Yeah.
I'm not joking.
Yeah. This year, you know, made some wishes for 2021.